jerky boy in Lakas. You guys want to hit him up for all your jerky needs? I can tell you firsthand it is delicious. But first thing we got here is we got this keep. High quality, not made in China, I swear. All right, let's
Good that we see it in the sun.
hold on, hey, bring me the bag. Hold on, we're gonna do things a little differently. Young man, what's your name, man? Alright, so young man Leo here is gonna pick the winning ticket. If you pick your own, I'm telling your dad.
One ticket.
Alright, what is it? Read it out. So we got the first winner is 5360324. Last four, 0324. We move things quick here. You don't come up in 10 seconds, you lose prize. I hope you pick the wrong time to pee. Let's see. All right. Here you go, man. Congratulations. All right, next up from the jerky guy. Jerky God.
Read it in Spanish. Translate.
All right. Anyways, it says like I love soup or something. All right. Can you read numbers, young man? No? You sure? I think you can.
Go. Come on, read number, come on.
You want to just pick it? All right. Never mind. Who else we got?
He's shy.
Oh, we got this guy here. All right. All black. What's your name, bro? Alex. All right. All right, what you got, man?
5360232.
The last four are 0232. 536 0232. Going once. Where? Read that, bro. I'm happy like you won something. I know you can't read.
He's stealing.
5360061.
Last four.
The white zone is for loading and unloading only. Do not park in the white zone. 0061. It's hot. When it's down, it gets cold. We're in the bay. It's happening. So, one Subaru of Hayward is hooking you up with a bomb Columbia thermal reflective Omni Heat sweater. If you don't fit, just buy it. Alright? The winner is, hey, before I announce the winner, I want everyone here to give a big thank you to Devin here. He is the owner of One Subaru. Thank you! And now we're going to make some money.
Yeah, I just want to say thank you guys. You guys, we've all met a couple times by now. Really appreciate the community. Love seeing the kids and the dogs, the whole family atmosphere. So, yeah, thanks for coming out. We'll keep them going. Hopefully do a winter one and a summer one every year. Really proud to be doing this. So, thank you guys. Thanks for helping us make this happen.
2-7. Right here. Winner! That was quick. I'm going to read now. Winner is 0048. 0.
This guy right here. What the fuck, dude? Where's Joseph?
snowboard. There's still snow in the mountains.
They're
Still
always
got
snow.
snow and powder up there. And one Subaru wants you to take your all-wheel drive Sumi up into the snow and have some fun. Our winner for our grand prize is 0320.
0320.
0320.
Sorry, but that's mine.
Next.
Hey, Aldo, get out.
Dinner.
Damn.
Now you gotta take her.